Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today I'm back with you for Vlogmas Day 19, and I just want to show you this blanket. I put that green in there from yesterday. Look how beautiful! Isn't that so beautiful? I just love it, love it, love it. And that green just went around like so far. It really did. Which it wouldn't have mattered if it didn't go far. That's the point of it being scrappy. But look, it almost met back up. So I was really surprised in that. But this is how the whole blanket is looking. I just love that. I think it's just so beautiful. And so I'm right here. So I need to add in a new color. So let's see what today's color is going to be. I just get so excited. All right, let's see. Ooh, another beautiful color. And this is one of my favorite colors too. It's a not aqua, not as in a light blue aqua, but more of a darker aqua teal. That is so pretty. So pretty. So I'll start that right here and come around a tiny bit on the yellow and then back onto the green. So that will be beautiful. I love this color. I'm not sure what color to actually call it, but it's a turquoisey. But it's a little bit darker than just turquoise. But it's beautiful. So, Phoebe, why are you crying? She's in there in the den in Big Daddy's chair. He's at work, and so she's in there in his chair crying for some reason. Anyway, so I'll be adding this in tonight. I started watching Polar Express earlier today, and then got sidetracked and had to do something else, so I'll probably finish up watching that while I'm working on this, and then catch up on some Vlogmas videos. I do want to ask you to pray for Jane's Wynn's husband from Scraptastic Yarns. Her husband needs prayer. Pray for Jane also. I can only imagine, how she's feeling at the moment too. I know I'd be upset if something was going on with my husband. So keep Jane in your prayers, and her husband Thomas. Anyway, so today I don't really have much going on. Everybody's at work. I'm home alone. And I just recorded a video of what's going in my adult stocking stuffers for my adult children and my husband. So that video either be before this one or after this. I have no idea, but somewhere around there. And then I have a few more gifts to wrap up. I've tried to just wrap a few at a time because my arms are so weak. I can't keep up with it. I can't keep going. So I have about 3 gifts of Dakotas to wrap and maybe 2 or 3 of Elijah's that need wrapping, but I can only wrap like 1 or 2 at a time. My arms are just so weak. And actually I was going to let Elijah wrap Dakotas and Dakota wrap Elijah's, but their work schedules are, I don't know, just kind of where one of them's home, where they're both home at the same time is what I'm trying to say. So they're working like the same schedule pretty much, even though they work at different places, but they're both home at the same time. So that hasn't worked out really for them. But we are going to, I believe we're going to open our gifts on Christmas Eve, kind of in the daytime, earlier in the day. I'm not sure what time. And this was Elijah's request because he wants to go to his girlfriend's father's house or grandparents or something like that on Christmas Eve night, and then Christmas Day he wants to go over to Bay's house. So that's fine with us. We don't have a set day that we have to do it. Like I said in another video in the Christmas tag with Big Daddy, this will be his first Christmas day off in many, many, many years. Probably like all of Elijah's life. And so we've always done Christmas like a day or earlier, a couple of days earlier, even a week early. So, we're not like set to it having to be on Christmas Day. And so that's what we're doing. So I need to finish up and get things wrapped up and completed. And I still have Elijah's girlfriend's Christmas stuff laid out here. So I need to do something with that. She's coming over in the morning for him to do her hair. So I need to do something with all her stuff before then. But anyway, I hope you're all having a great week and getting ready for Christmas, no matter what you're doing, no matter who's with you, no matter if you're home by yourself. Just make it a great day. Have the mindset to choose joy and make it a great day. Make some plans for yourself. Fix yourself something a little to eat, a little treat or something. And then just enjoy the day doing whatever it is you enjoy doing, whether it be in crocheting or watching movies or, just resting, napping, whatever. But I hope everyone does enjoy their Christmas season, and I wish you all a blessed day. Thanks, guys.